Welcome to this tutorial on how to sell call options using Etrade. Selling call options can be a great way to generate income. Before you start, make sure you have an understanding of options trading and the risks involved. First, log into your Etrade account. Once you are in, navigate to the Trading section. Here, you will find various options trading tools. Look for the Options tab and select it. You will then enter the underlying asset you want to sell call options on. It can be a stock or an ETF. Make sure to review the information that appears to confirm you have selected the correct asset. Next, choose the call option you want to sell. You will see a list of available options with different expiration dates and strike prices. Pick the one that aligns with your trading strategy. Once selected, you will see the option details, including the bid price, which is what you can expect to receive when you sell the call option. Finally, enter the number of contracts you wish to sell and review your order. Ensure that everything looks correct, including the option details and the expected premium. When you are ready, submit your order. You will receive a confirmation once the order has been executed. Congratulations, you have successfully sold call options using Etrade. Remember to monitor your positions regularly and stay informed about market movements.